Thank you for checking out how electrical estimating software can help you improve your business. Simply put, electrical estimating software is a digital tool that helps streamline your estimating process. Maybe you're a pen and paper person that's very confident in your process and just looking for a way to streamline or speed up that process. Or maybe you don't have a process. That's okay too, as our software is laid out in an easy to use way that creates a process. Now, I found that one of the biggest stigmas about software is the difficulty of onboarding and implementation. We've all seen robust systems that take more time and effort to learn and implement than actually use. So, we keep our implementation process simple, and our USA-based member support is here to walk you through every step of the way. A little bit about our estimating software. To get you up and running quickly, we've included features that help speed up your estimating process, like pre-built bid templates that can be customized to fit your needs, and estimate duplication to save you time on repeat work. We've also included pre-built assemblies. Assemblies are a collection of materials and labor units that make up one unit. For example, an MC cable receptacle assembly contains the box, plaster ring, the receptacle, etc. We also give you the flexibility to use our up-to-date material pricing built right into our software, or the ability to export material lists to send to your distributor so that you can input custom pricing. Everything then comes together in the end and is summarized in a professional bid that you can email directly to your customer. Thank you for checking out how our software can help your business. If you like what you've heard so far and want to learn more, click on the link to schedule a time to talk with someone. Thank you.